Hello, we'll discuss about the routing. So, routing is process to find best path for data which is going to travel from one place one place to another place. So where your data is going to start, that will be the source, and where your data is going to reach, that is called the destination. So for the routing process, we are using the routing protocol. So there is the type of routing protocols. So we learn about the routing protocols. So by the method, routing protocols uh, divide into four parts. One, that is the static routing. Next is the default routing. Next is the distance vector, and next is the link state, and last one is the path vector. Also, by the process, routing is defined in the different way. So routing is defined in the four things. That one, that is the static routing, the default routing, and dynamic routing. Dynamic routing. If you see here static routing, you have to define, or you have to manually define your routing one by one. So you have to put your destination and next home in your routing protocol, and in the default only you need to put the 0.0.0/0 and next home, nothing else. In the dynamic routing, your routing protocol is going to define your best path. So only you need to advertise your network instead of your destination network. In the dynamic routing, there is the two type of protocols, that is the IGP and EGP. IGP, that means interior gateway protocol, and EGP, that means exterior gateway protocols. In the IGP, there is the one that is distance vector, advanced distance vector, and the link state protocol. In the distance vector, you have the two routing protocols. One is the REAP and next is the IGRP. In advanced distance vector, only the one protocol, that is the EIGRP. EIGRP. And in the link state, there is the two protocols, that is the OSPF and EASE. And in the exterior protocols, you have only one protocol, that is the BGP. BGP also divide into two parts, IBGP and EBGP. EBGP, BGP, BGP. Thanks for watching my video. I hope